It's the New Year's and I'm doing one of the things that I absolutely love, and that's baking. I'm making cinnamon rolls out of a cookbook. Oh, let me get the cookbook real quick. Making the cinnamon rolls from this cookbook that I got at, I think I either got it from Ingles or Ladle. I can't remember which one. It's originally a lemon fig cake, but you can verify it and make cinnamon butterfly rolls. So we're gonna be doing that. Let's go because I'm hungry and I really am craving some cinnamon rolls right now.
This year, I vowed to be better to myself, to allow myself the space to make mistakes. I've realized I've held myself back from trying new things in fear of looking stupid. This year, I vow to look like an idiot, to look stupid, to look lost, to be free, to be curious, and to be creative. It's only natural for humans to be curious and experimental. So, why are we so hard on ourselves when we have to admit that we're clueless?
Take me to the ocean, let the waves carry me away. Under in the skies now, where the summer birds stay. Summer never in these ocean
Cats, like dogs, they can get pregnant while they're already pregnant. So there
Do we even think about how much knowledge we've lost out on by thinking, I can't, rather than, of course I can, if I try. Surely it's not that much. But then again, maybe it is. Funny how that goal, which was once so prevalent in our minds, is just gone.
Okay, I'm gonna eat the first one. Excited. Okay, ready, Mom? Good texture, good texture.
Why are you making all that noise?
That's literally how you eat.
No.
I'm trying to get all the flavor. You know when you smack, you like wake up all the the tonsils in your mouth and your taste buds, and you get more flavor out of it.
Oh, okay.
Pretty good. I think next time though, I'll make the sugar that goes in it more of a paste, so it doesn't melt out of it. That is good. You want to taste it?